Here's the box this thing came in, and let me just kind of like go over some of the specifications. It's an 8-inch chef's knife. It's 67 layers of Damascus alloy steel kind of folded over. It's G10 fiberglass handle, and it's 62 Rockwell hardness, which is the hardness of the metal there. I've already had it out and used it, and this thing was absolutely phenomenal. This is very well presented. You get a little kind of like instruction manual, and it goes over some of their other items from K1 series. So there's like some care and some precaution and maintenance thing right there. Very nicely presented in this sheath right here. Had this little piece right there, but we don't need that. Taking it out, there is a like kind of piece right here. I'll throw this away now that I have it unboxed here. We don't need none of that. But looking over the sheath is very nicely quality wood. It's got a nice feel to it, and listen how it sounds when it comes. Has a very nice sound. I don't know how well you can hear it coming out of there. Kind of sounds like a samurai sword when you unsheath this thing. I used this knife. It was very easy. I cut some tenderloin with it. I sliced up some tenderloin and made kind of like some stew. I cut up a little bit of like peppers and onions and stuff. This thing sliced easily. It was very nicely balanced when you look at it. When you look at this knife, it's got a nice balance to it. What I like is it's got a full-tang that runs all the way up into the handle there, all the way to the back. Look at the craftsmanship of this. This is something you'd be proud to bring out and show off if you're out cutting some meat or something like that. This thing is very sharp, everybody. It's got a sharp like blade straight out of the package, and you can sharpen it. It's one of these where you can sharpen it when it starts getting dull. This is something I'm gonna be using amongst my travels, whether I'm camping or just working around the kitchen and messing with that. Nice logo there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the KIMROSE, chef's knife. See you all next video.